Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can find your YouTube channel ID on mobile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and search your youtube.com, and then you need to click on account. So it will open account, and then you need to request for the desktop side. Okay, and you must need to log in into your YouTube channel, and then you need to click on advanced setting here, and here you can see your channel ID. You simply need to copy that and you can share that anywhere where you want. So this is our process by which you can get your channel ID of your YouTube channel on mobile. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.